Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to create an AI email agent with N8N. So first you will have to start a new workflow and just wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will have to click this plus button right here and you will search for Gmail, and you will be adding a Gmail trigger node using OAuth2 credentials. So configure it to trigger when a new email is received. Then you will have to add an OpenAI node. Use the email body as the dynamic input in the prompt. Next, you will add a send email node, and you will use Gmail or SMTP to send a reply based on OpenAI's response. Add filters or IF logic to handle only certain subjects or senders. Then, after you finish all of the steps, you will just have to click the execute workflow right here if you've already saved your progress, and then you will just have to click the activate button here so that it will run continuously, and then your AI email agent will be live. And that's basically it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.